इन 6 टिप्स को फॉलो करके आप अपनी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी को बूस्ट कर सकते हैं। टिप 1, थिंक इन इंग्लिश। Try to think in English about your day or what you decide to do next. It will be a bit challenging at first, but it will be easy by practicing. Tip number 2 is listen. The more you listen, the more comfortable it will be for you to use new words in an English communication. Tip number 3 is talk to yourself. When you are free, try to speak English with yourself first. Everyone's favorite and comfortable person is us only. Tip number 4, use mirror. Whenever you have time, take a few minutes out to stand in front of the mirror and speak up whatever in your mind. Tip number 5, focus on fluency, not grammar. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not perfect grammar or vocabulary. Tip number 6, tongue twister games. Tongue twisters are always the ideal way to improve your diction and help you learn how to speak quickly. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Follow for more updates.